Again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can fix all kind of errors in city skylines. So if you find some errors while you are playing the game in your computer, you can just follow the steps right here to fix it. So first, on your computer, you can just open the task manager. So add the cursor to the taskbar and then right click and open the task manager. And in here under the processes, you can just find one of the random processes. This for example, this one, you can just click on it and type in the name of your game. If nothing's pop up, then it is good, but if something pops up, you can just right click on it and then just simply end the task. For example, here, this one, you can just click on end task in here, just like this. Click on this, and after that, what you need to do is just open the settings on your computer, on your Windows. Go to settings, and then find the Windows update in here. Click on the Windows update and check for Windows updates. And I want you to download the latest versions of Windows. So as you guys can see here, I are already up to date. So you need to download the Windows update if there is available in here, because it will fix a lot of issues and error. After that, you can just close this and find the shortcut of your game on your desktop, and you can just right click on it and then just find properties. Click on compatibility, and what you need to do is just enable this compatibility mode and choose Windows 8, and also enable this run this program as an administrator. After that, you can just hit on apply. So that's pretty much all. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks.